Welcome back to our series on the Monaca Fire Station build. We're here with another update, and things are definitely getting interesting at the construction site. The contractor recently started rough grading the building's footprint, but they quickly hit some unexpected obstacles. Beneath the surface, they found remnants of a bygone era: bricks, concrete slabs, and old furnaces from an old glass factory that once stood here. But it's not just the old glass factory remains that have presented a challenge. The soil itself is packed with mill slag, a material that expands and contracts when it absorbs moisture. That means it isn't stable enough to support the foundation. For now, grading is on hold as the team waits for further guidance. As if that weren't enough, they also discovered a spring flowing from one of the old furnace hearths. Now, they'll need to come up with a solution for managing that water to keep the site dry. Let's take a look at the updated drone render. You might remember from our last video that the front layout line wasn't quite parallel to the street. But with this latest render, we can see a big improvement. The engine bays of the fire station sit back 8 feet from the rest of the building, creating a much cleaner alignment with the street. In the meantime, construction supplies have started to arrive on site. Water lines, sewer pipes, drainage pipes, rebar, fencing, and erosion control socks are all here, ready for use. Despite the challenges, the contractor is pushing forward. This week, they've been busy assembling rebar reinforcements that will be placed in the footers. It's clear the contractor is wasting no time. They're determined to get this building under roof before winter hits, so they can continue working on the interior throughout the cold months. We're looking forward to seeing how they tackle the challenges of the mill slag and the spring. What do you think? Could these obstacles affect the project's timeline? Let us know in the comments below. Stay connected with us as we continue documenting the transformation of our main street and the progress on the fire station build. We'll be capturing every step with drone footage, digital twins, 3D models, and side-by-side comparisons, so you can see the progress unfold in detail. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest from Innovative Aerial Solutions LLC, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for being a part of the journey, and see you next time.